Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm doing a twist out on short 4C hair featuring ORS. These are the ORS Curls Unleashed products and they're made for natural hair. So I'm starting off with the leave-in conditioning cream made with cocoa and shea butter. The cream was rich and it did provide a lot of moisture in my hair. However, I don't think the moisture lasts because during the week I had to go back and re-moisturize. I like to put an ample amount of product in my hair when I'm styling my hair. Now I'm going in with the curl defining cream made with shea butter and honey. And this is supposed to moisturize and give curl definition and produce less shrinkage. I found that each product smelled very nice. It had a very floral scent, almost like perfume. The products were thick, they were creamy, and they were moisturizing. But as I said, I kept my twisting for a week and I had to go back midweek and re-moisturize. So this was a little experiment of mine, guys. I wanted to see what type of results I would get without using a hair gel. As I twist my hair, I try not to borrow from each strand, and I learned that from Black is Beautiful Hair on YouTube. And basically all I'm doing is taking a small section, putting the product on it, smoothing the product through, detangling with my small teeth comb, and then twisting. Because my hair is so short, I like to take small sections. And for about $6.99 you do get a good amount of product in each of these jars. And this is my end result. Fluffy twists that don't have much definition but do look good.